Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here and tell you about these great iris rolling buckets, carts, tubs, whatever you want to call them. Anyway, I've got one here for birdseed because I was able to get this 40-pound bag of birdseed on sale, and I wanted a place to store it where the critters in my garage can't get to it. It has this great rubber seal. The bottom just hooks into those little hooks, and it seals tight. And then I use this one for dog food for my dogs, and it makes it super easy. When we go camping for a week, I can just load this whole thing into my camper and off we go. But when I want to roll it and put it away over here, I can just roll it into the cabinet. And then the birdseed I just keep out in the garage. So I really like these iris tubs. I've used iris products for many years. In fact, my pet fencing when I go camping is iris products. So I don't think you can go wrong with them. Thanks for watching.